2024. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Rena Elena 2024, together with Ray Constantino. Why don't you give them a round of applause? Shall we now turn on the lights? Thank you so much, my dear friends and relatives and all people from this community, BOP, Wabasak, Obisposo, for lighting up the candles. You may now turn it off. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let's get to know our Ray Constantino. Little Ray Constantino, and of course, our Rena Elena 2024. on November 26, 2018. He is the son of Mr. Vincent Gonzaga Bisano and Mrs. Andrea Navarro Lambir. He loves singing and dancing. He is a kindergarten pupil in Basak Community School. His hobbies include singing, dancing, and he loves to play Roblox. Our 2024 Little Ray Constantino, Vince Andre Lambir Bisano. Let's give him a big round of applause. Now let's get to know our Ray Constantino. Our adult Ray Constantino is 18 years of age. He is the son of Ray Stephen Romales and Mrs. Christine Tawas Romales, a senior high school graduate, and he is a member of Cebu City Olympics. Crowned as the Lakandula in the year 2018 to 2019 at University of Cebu, MATC. He is a member of the Community Awareness and Relation Extension Services organization in University of Cebu, named MATC. His principles in life: live with integrity, pursue excellence, and show kindness to others. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Ray Constantino 2024, Ray Christian Tawas Romales. Let's give him a big sounding of applause. Our Rena Elena. Chance Murillo Malazarte. Chance is a daughter of Hubert Sabiliano Malazarte and Minchi Murillo Malazarte. During her elementary, she studied in Colegio del Santo Niño, while in high school, she studied in Holy Rosary School of Carmel. Currently, she is a senior high school student of Universities of San Jose Recoletos. She is a member of a performing arts club. Her principle in life: appreciate every moment and enjoy every little things in life. Ladies and gentlemen, our 2024 Rena Elena Chance Murillo Malazarte. A big round of applause. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our Rena Elena, Little Ray Constantino, and Ray Constantino 2024. We've now come to the most awaited part of the ceremonies, and that is the coronation. The pinning of sash, donning of cape, crowning of the Rena Elena and Ray Constantino. Starting off with, we're gonna pin the sash. The sash symbolizes the rank or status and the victory. So without further much ado, let me call in our Little Ray Constantino. Our Little Ray Constantino will be given an honorary award, starting off with, to pin the sash of honor, may I call in Mr. Adrian Lambir. Give him a big hand, please. And to be the such our Ray Constantino, may I call in Mr. and Mrs. Stephen and Christine Romales. Thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Stephen and Christine Romales. Now let's have the donning of the cake. To don the cape of our little Ray Constantino, let me call in Angeli Langbil. A round of applause to our little Ray. Coming up to award or to don the cake for our Ray Constantino, let me call in Miss Beverly Lapas and Mr. Jorovel Lapa. Round of applause, our Ray Constantino. And now, let's have the crowning of our little Ray Constantino. And to crown our cute little Ray Constantino, let me call again Angeli Langbil and Adrian Langbil. A round of applause to our little Ray Constantino. Thank you Villanos. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Ray Constantino. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our Ray Constantino. 2024, and of course our little Ray Constantino. Let me call in our Reina de Los Angeles to please stand. Our Reina de Los Angeles is Maria Venice Pabaluna. Her proud parents are Noel Pabaluna and Jaylene Pabaluna. Once again, a round of applause to our Reina de Los Angeles. All our kings deserve the crown of integrity, and it is indeed reserved to our new kings. He set a good example to all, as he showed off affection, sincerity, triumph, and most especially bountiness. And may I request everyone to please rise once again to give honor to our Majesty, Little Ray Constantino, and Ray Constantino to please rise again. And take a bow. Thank you so much. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let's have all witness the farewell walk of our outgoing Reina Elena 2023. As she bids goodbye, the Reina Elena Chelsea Malazarte will be on her farewell walk. Our Reina Elena, once again, Chelsea Malazarte. Mass Communication at the Cebu Normal University as cum laude. is a former writer and a Freeman at Freeman newspaper, a former broadcaster at DYLA, a current member, an outgoing member of the Sangguniang Kabataan, a councilor of Barangay Basak Pardo. And apparently a career trainer at Concentrix Corporation. Once again, a round of applause to our outgoing Rena Elena 2023, Chelsea Malasarco. Of our Rena Elena 2023. To beat the sash, let me call in Mr. Adonis Jacinta and Mrs. Leslie Abellanosa Caniano. Once again, to don the cape of our Rena Elena 2024 is no other than our Barangay Captain, Norman Navarro. Round of applause, please. Don the Cave. Together with me pala, sorry. Wasn't informed. Thank you so much, Honorable Captain Norman Navarro. And now to crown our Reina Elena 2024, let me call in our Reina de Los Angeles to give in our crown to our Chelsea, and then to be given also by Chelsea to their parents. Let me call in the parents of Chelsea, Mrs. Minchie, Mr. Hubert Malazarte and Minchie Malazarte. About Chelsea. Thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Hubert and Minchie Malazarte, together with their other beautiful daughter, Chelsea Malazarte. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let's now witness the giving of the cross to our Reina Elena. The cross symbolizes the Christianity. Let me call in Mr. Steven, Serena, and Miss Lizelle Aurelio. the scepter. This is also symbolizes the power bestowed by our Rena Elena. And to give the scepter, let me call in Mr. Dwight Ragasaho and Mrs. Chevy Jaya Ragasaho. Mr. Seven Anglazal. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's also witness the giving of the bouquet to our Rena Elena 2024. And of course, the Rena Elena 2023 will also receive a bouquet. And to give the bouquet, let me call in Mr. Emran Mangguban and Mrs. Daisy Morillo. Outgoing Rena Elena 2023, let me call in the parents, Mrs. Menchi Malazarte and Mr. Hubert Malazarte. With our Rena Elena 2024 for the photo op. The crown is the highest honor bestowed to a queen. So that is, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Rena Elena 2024 and the outgoing Rena Elena 2023. A round of applause to these beautiful ladies. Alright, thank you so much. At this juncture, let me call in the little Ray and our Ray Constantino to please stand up. To proclaim this coronation, may we call in the one and only very active Barangay Captain of Basak San Nicolas, no other than Barangay Captain Honorable Norman A. Navarro to give the proclamation. proclamation of this Rena Elena Ray Constantino 2024.
May gabi! Loya na! Ako, loya. Okay? So, ako may gitahasan pag-proklamar aning ato okay. So, with the power vested upon me, with the presence of our Lord, witness with the people of Basak, San Nicolas, I will proclaim Miss Chelsea Malasarte as Rena Elena of 2024 to 2025. And I will also proclaim Mr. Ray Christian Romales as Ray Constantino of 2024 to 2025. And the little boy Vince Antirizano as the little Ray Constantino of 2024 to 2025. Atong silang tagaan masipang pakpak.
Pakpak mga higan. Thank you so much, Honorable Norman Navarro, for that very strong and very firm proclamation to our Reyna Elena and Ray Constantino. So at this juncture, once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all witness our Reyna Elena 2024, Little Ray 2024, and Ray Constantino 2024 in their Royal March. Little Ray Constantino. Members of the PUP Rondalia Choir. Please help me welcome Laura May Torregosa and Vicenta Magdalene Navarro to give an intermission number. In Aliwan 2026, 2027, and 2028. They also perform as the Grand Champion in international category in Daegu Festival in South Korea as Powerful Daegu Festival. And also as performer nationally, not only international but also international. Please help me welcome our very own Taga Lumad Basak. Please help me welcome the Lumad Basak Brothers. area. It is almost time for us to end our coronation ceremony, so I will give this moment to our PUP Chapel President, Mr. Larry Montunado.
As we come to the end of this remarkable event, I would like to take this moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. So, akong halangdon o Tibo Barangay Captain, Captain Manabaro, o ang kapanan akong mga officers sa BUP Chapel, o mga state din sa Basak Puso, o sa mga sponsors. Daghang salamat sa inyong walay pukas na suporta na nahimong lampos kining atong ginahilina. Sa atong mga participants, salamat sa inyong aktibong na pag-apil o pagkadasi. Kini atong event dili ra ni pagbuhay sa Sinina o sa Panagway, kundi paghandog sa istorya ni Queen Helena or Reina Helena, mother of Great Constantine. Lastly, I would like to thank Lord making this event a success and peaceful one. Salamat ug may gabi na inyong tanan.
Thank you so much, Sir Pusoy, sa imong closing remarks. So on behalf of the BUP officers, seniors, and youth, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our Ray Constantino, Little Ray Constantino, and of course our Ray Constantina, Reina Elena, and most especially to their respected parents of these people, of these Reina Elena and Ray Constantino, for their great help and contribution to this coronation ceremony. Without them, this event will not be possible. So once again, salamat kayo tako sa inyong tabang. And together, to work this as an inspiration and a success to all. I am your host, Maria Rose Jane Arresa, the Lady of Ceremony. Thank you so much and God bless us all. So may I request all over Reina Elena 2023, Reina Elena 2024, Little Ray Constantino, to please stand, our Reina de Los Angeles, all our angels, to have a grand photo op.